This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by removing any case, screen protector and SIM tray so you can inspect edges, clean away dust with a soft brush. Next, reboot the Realme C11 and boot into safe mode to determine if apps cause the ghost touch. If the ghost stops, an app is responsible. While in safe mode, observe edges and the screen for physical damage, pressure points, or signs of battery swelling. These physical causes change how the digitizer behaves and guide your next repair steps. Once you've confirmed it isn't a simple app, update the phone to the latest Realme firmware because software patches often fix touch drivers. Make small setting changes, reduce touch sensitivity, disable double tap wake, and run any available touch calibration tools to realign the digitizer. If you have an OTG-enabled mouse or USB diagnostic tools, use them to verify pointer behavior while the screen is active. After each change, test systematically so you can tell which action produced improvement or regression. If software and calibration don't resolve ghost touch, back up your data and perform a factory reset as the last software resort. This rules out rogue settings. When the issue persists, the next step is replacement. A faulty digitizer or display assembly usually causes ghost input, so replace the screen with an OEM or high-quality compatible part. If you see water, corrosion, or a swollen battery, stop and seek professional repair. And if problems continue after replacement, contact Realme Service for hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.